Welcome to the course C# and .NET Programming. In this video, we are going to see the dynamic method dispatch in C#. So dynamic method dispatch will be working with the method overriding concept, which will enable you to perform the runtime polymorphism. So to work with, we need to create a base class, derived class with the method overriding concept. And to implement the dynamic method dispatch, we need to follow the 3 steps. The first step is creating the base class reference. Second is assign the derived class object to the base class reference. And the third one is invoke the overridden method during the runtime so that it will enable the dynamic method dispatch. So to start with, I am going to create a base class called as animal, and which have a method which is a virtual method, and I'm going to use the method as eat. And here I'm going to just print console.writeLine animal eat. And now I'm going to create 2 derived class. First one is cat, and this also I'm just trying to have the same method. But when you use the method overriding, the base class method is virtual and the derived class method is override. And here we have, instead of this, I am having cat eat. So to represent it is an inheritance, I need to use the symbol, and I am going to inherit the animal class. Similarly, I am going to create another one class which is called as dog, which is inheriting from the animal class, and here also I am overriding the same eat method, and along with I am going to tell dog eat. And apart from the method overridden, I am going to add another method which is an instance method specific to the dog class. So public void display. So console.writeLine I am display. So now we have the inheritance concept and we have the method overriding concept, which is implemented with the virtual and override. And now we are going to demonstrate the dynamic method dispatch. So to do that, first we have to create the base class reference. So our base class reference is animal. So during the runtime, whichever object is assigned to this reference, so that method attached with that object get executed. So A is equal to, I want to call the dogs eat method, and I am attaching the dog object to the base class reference. So now when I call with the object name dot, I can able to get the eat method. So the eat method associated during the runtime, which is attached with the base class reference, get executed, and that will enable you to get the runtime polymorphism. So when we run it, so we are accessing the derived class overridden method using the base class reference. So now suppose you want to access the cat, then I can use the same base class reference. Now the base class reference is attaching with the eat method of the cat class. So now we run it, we are getting the dog eat and the cat eat. So by using this reference, I cannot access the display method available in my dog class, since this method is entirely belong to the dog class, which is not the overridden method, so it cannot be accessed through the base class reference. Hope you understand what is meant by dynamic method to enable the runtime polymorphism by creating the base class reference and assigning the derived class object to the base class reference. Thank you.